Then check this out.
Ready now? Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now the reason that we use My Lead Gen Secrets is because it's 80% recurring income. We're also going to be using ChatGPT to help us out here. So if you guys are interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and we'll get started. Alright, so first and foremost, I want to see what kind of results we got here. It looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, but we're going to refresh the page to make sure these are real results. Only reason I refreshed the page because I want you guys to know I did not change any numbers around. Just want to make sure it's clean and crystal clear. Alright, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine. Not a big deal at all. Not a big deal at all. So the first thing we want to do, guys, is get you your affiliate link. If you're interested in following on and doing this as well, you get your affiliate link. This is the one that I particularly use, which is the all-in-one business sales letter. Alright, guys. So to get there, first and foremost, you go to my description. You're going to see income speaks, or you can type it out. Don't matter which one. You click on the link there. It's going to take you to this page here. This is a sales letter going to talk about all the $25 business. Essentially, what it is, it's a funnel builder, and it's $25 as many funnels as you want, many pages as you want. Now, if you know, if any established funnel builder, you bought funnel building before, you know that that is a fantastic deal. Also, they give away money. They give away some money to feeding, charities and whatnot. So if you're interested in that, that's pretty cool too. Basically, what you can make is $20 to $100 monthly commissions for each customer, and there's some other products in there too. One that sells for even $1,000 and you get $800 out of it. So they constantly add new products. So yeah, just keep that in mind. So anyway, we're gonna go to Yes I Want In. Once you decide you want to try this out, you're gonna click on Yes I Want In. It's gonna take you to this page here where you put in all your information and so on and so forth. Right here, right? And you $25. Now, one thing I want to mention: if you use my link, you get 14 free days with HBA Premium, which is effectively teaching you how to do ads and stuff like that, constantly updated based on what's out, what's popping, what's popular, stuff like that. They also has a AI content creation machine in the system as well. You can use all that for free for 14 days. And the coolest thing about this is that if you get a sale with this product here, get to keep the money even though you haven't paid for the product. So it's a really cool bonus there. So anyway, guys, once you do that, go in, get your link, blah blah blah, right? It's pretty basic to get your link. So once you get your link, now we need somewhere to promote it, and the promotion will go to the second link in my description. It'll take you to this My Lead Gen Secret. You'll get to this page. Now, what is My Lead Gen Secret? Basically, long story short, you get 100 leads every single day that are interested in making money online. Now, here's the kicker. Here's the problem. Here's the issue. They are cold leads. They are cold leads. That means they have no idea who you are. They have no idea what your product is. You have to warm them up, get them to click on your link. Best way to warm them up, essentially, is to send emails every single day. So we're going to do that. Gonna log into the account here. Now the thing you want to do once you log in, make your account whatever it may be, you're gonna go to the mailing system. And what you want to do is select all your leads here. Now don't worry about my huge list of leads here. I'll be more concerned with something else because I've gotten sales with just 100 leads before. It's not a big deal. You only have 100 leads. So what we're gonna do is want to load up an email here. We got a bunch of emails we can load up. See how cool that is, right? We're gonna load up another email. But first and foremost, once you get a bunch of emails in here, you could just click on the email, send it, boom, done. We could do that, but we're gonna use ChatGPT to make us a new email. That's what we use ChatGPT. So we're gonna go up to email here, writer, and we're just gonna tell it, can you create another similar to the last one, remove all emojis. Just remove them since we can't use emojis, guys. There we go. Just bump that to 5,000. So the first thing you do, you delete this part. That's what ChatGPT. Copy. Boom, boom. Copy. Post it in. Boom. All right. So first and foremost, we're gonna copy this. This back. Fold it. Boom. Isolate it. And we want to get rid of insert link. I want to unline it. Hold this, and we want to change the price to 5. Do it to 525. I think that's hold it. You know what? Let's visualize it. From bold all of this. Bold. So we just sprinkling a little bit of flavor on the email here a little bit. Alright, that's enough. I'm gonna change this to 5. I think that's it. Now, one more thing we want to do is because of how ChatGPT and my lead gen secrets works. When you copy paste it, we just want to move the hand a bit. We want to move this so it can pop into the right place. Sometimes you have to do this, sometimes you don't. When you copy something right from it, I just do it just so I don't get that error. So I probably wasted my time, but I don't know for sure. So just do this just to be sure. Very simple thing to do. Every line so it got a chance to pop into its right place. Alright, so that's all there is to it. Make sure to hit perfect timing. That's going to send the email around the time people check the emails, right? We want to hit the preview and make sure the link works. Click on that. Link works. Okay, good. And then we send an email, and that's all there is to it, guys. Very simple, very easy, very quick. Once you get enough emails into the system, you can just rotate. You can start rotating. Right now, I got enough emails from this little section I'm showing you from ChatGPT to start rotating them if I really wanted to, which is really cool. And you make money every month. Once you get a sale is so important, and you can get paid for the rest of your life off of one sale. So that's the real cool part about this product in particular and why I promote it. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.